Making a nature mystery box is one of my favorite activities, and it is so easy. Just a reminder that while we are still social distancing, please stay safe and only play this game with members of your own household. First, find a box or container that you can reuse for this project. You can keep it simple and just cut a hole in a cardboard box. Or you can get extra creative and decorate your nature mystery box. Just make sure that you can easily fit your hand inside the hole. Next, go on a scavenger hunt and collect nature items to use in the box. Remember that it's a violation of park rules to collect any items on park property, so please limit your scavenger hunt to your own yard. Put one or more items inside the box and then have your family member try to guess what each item is. So fun!
A miniature pine cone. Oh, dandelion. A rock. And
What is this? Oh, it's a dandelion. This is a corn husk thing.
This game is fun for all ages, and you can constantly change it up just by searching for new items to put inside the box. So happy hunting and happier guessing!